Morning student of class 7th, take your SST book and open chapter 2nd, regional kingdom first. Come to exercise. Tick the correct option. First, which of the following does not belong to the Rajput clan? Pandyas. Second, which of the following temples was built by the Chola rulers? Brihadeshwara temple at Tanjore. Third, the Pratiharas ruled large part of Gujarat and Rajasthan from 6th to 11th century. Fourth, who was the first ruler of the Pala dynasty? C. Gopala. D. Fill in the blanks. First, Muhammad Ghori was defected by Prithviraj in 1191 AD. Second, the Khalji rulers annexed the Yadava kingdom. Third, Von took the title of Gangaikonda Chola in 1022 AD. Fourth, the Chola rulers fought several wars with their neighboring kingdom for acquiring fertile regions of Vengi, Kama, Tungabhadra Doab as well as the Ganga plains. Fifth, Mandalams were divided into Swalandas in the Nandas or Kurams kingdom. C. Right, true or false? First, Muhammad Ghazni established a vast empire in India. False. Second, Bilema founded the Chalukya dynasty. False. Third, Vishnuvardhanam was the most powerful ruler of the Hoysala kingdom. True. Fourth, Madurai was an important learning center established by the Pandyas. True. E. Answer the following question. First, Raja first and Rajendra first. Chola dynasty. Second, Mahendrapala. Pratiharas. Third, Ramanuj. Vaishnava Sant. Fourth, Vaishava. Lingayat movement. Fifth, Shankaracharya. Advaita philosophy and established four maths. After that, write short answer. Question number 1. Who was the founder of the Pratihara dynasty? Answer. King Harishchandra is considered as the founder of Pratihara dynasty. Second, which battle between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori is believed to be a turning point in the Indian history? Answer. Prithviraj Chauhan was a legendary Chauhan ruler. First up, he was a brave warrior who became a king in 1177. First up, in the first battle of Tarain in 1191 AD, he defeated the Turkish invader Muhammad Ghori. Stop. He was, however, defeated by Ghori in the following years. In the second battle of Tarain, stop. This battle is believed to be a turning point in the Indian history. Question number 3. Who conquered the Paramara kingdom in the year 1060 AD? Answer. The Paramara dynasty ruled from the 10th to 12th century in the region around Malwa with its capital at Dar. Full stop. Raja Bhoj was the most powerful ruler of this kingdom. Full stop. He was a philosopher and prolific writer. Full stop. He ruled from 1010 AD to 1060 AD. Full stop. One of the Paramara rulers built the Nilkanteswara temple at Udaipur. Full stop. Question number 4. Which was the last major dynasty to embrace Buddhism in India? Answer. The last major dynasty to embrace Buddhism in India was the Pala dynasty. Next, answer the following question. Question number 1. Discuss the prominent Rajput kingdoms which emerged in the northern part of India during the early medieval period. Stop. Answer. The Tomars, Chauhans, Solankis, Paramaras, Kohadwals and the Chandels were some of the prominent Rajput clans that established regional kingdoms in different parts of northern India during the early medieval periods. Question number 2. Tell about 3 most powerful Rajput tribes which established powerful kingdom in the central parts of India. Answer. The Palas, Pratiharas and the Rajputs were some of the small Rajput dynasty's successful kingdoms. Stop. In the central part of India. Question number 3. Which 2 invaders came to India during the early medieval period? Question mark. How and why did they plunder the wealth of India? Answer. The period after 1000 AD saw many invaders led by Muhammad of Ghazni and Muhammad Ghori. They entered India through the mountain passes in the northwest. Muhammad of Ghazni. Muhammad was the ruler of Ghazni in Afghanistan. He invaded India 17 times during his rule from 1000 to 130 AD. He wanted to make Ghazni and powerful kingdom. For raising a strong force, he needed wealth, which he tried to acquire by plundering India. Question 4. Tell about the Deccan kingdoms of India during the early medieval period. Answer. Deccan kingdom. The Rajputs were the major power in Deccan region the early medieval period. Some other dynasties rose to power in the Deccan after the decline of the Rajputs. Full stop.